bummer. I scared off the armadillo. Oh well. I didn't mean to. Here are the persimmons. They get really pretty. Really pretty. This tree is loaded with persimmons. Gotta take care of this area. Hopefully we could work on this area today. Oh, look at that. I love that we have dragonflies here that eat all the mosquitoes. Sorry, it's my new camera, so just want to see what else we could see out here. I'll have a little bit of help with my brother-in-law today to clear up this area right here. I think I see a persimmon though. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to grab it. Not sure, yeah. That one's ready. Okay, let me go grab it. Hopefully there's no ants or anything on it. Looks like it might be. Sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now it's ready. All right. Here we go. I got this guy. This one's beautiful. Can't wait to eat this one.